Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE T20 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this DOOGEE device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS launcher and install this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, choose Allow in the pop-ups. Then click on Got it and close your app. Finally, go into Devices settings. Click on Apps section and select Default Apps after scrolling down. Lastly, click on Home app and tap on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Then tap on Got it again. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into Default Apps settings and tapping on Quick Step or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!